guys how to make an Italy times video. So first of all, you guys are going to like you could like make any video you want, or you could just like import it over here. But what I'd like to say, I'd like personally recording is the best because I could just be like either. So it like takes it, and then what you're going to do will have to be very specific. So first of all, you're it's going to prepare real quick. Okay. So first of all, you're just going to grab your video, and then this is on Kladio, by the way. It's like a video editing software. So first of all, you're going to click on your video that you just edited. You can like drag it to like over here, and then you're going to drag it until you see this one yellow line right here. So what do you do in that case? You're just going to Control C, and you're going to go back to like you have to set them at even intervals because even intervals work best. So like let me say 500ths of a second, and it's gonna be a 94. And I'll have to drag this on the top right side of things. And then I'll do another 5, which is going to be. I have to fix this real quick. There we go. Which is 0.99, which. So that's my third one. And then this one's going to be on the bottom left hand side. Oh, perfect. I had literally just hit 0.15. That's nice. And then after that, we're going to do 15, and it's going to be like 0.104. And it's going to be right here. And then we're going to drag that. And then you could just like click export. And you can like see right here, it just shows it. So then after this, you're just gonna download this video, and then you're just gonna keep going it. So you're just gonna keep like doing it over and over again until you hit a million but you have to use a calculator if you don't know like let's say 4 to the 8, which is 65,536. You might not know that, so then you'll have to be like, uh-oh, I'll have to put that into a calculator. So yeah, that's easy one. Making a video that might help you guys over here.